What passion and purpose means to me it's the driving force. It is that thing that wakes me up in the morning to ensure that I get up, I go out there, I impact society and make a difference. And when it comes to my passion, it's the why. Why do I want to do this? It's more than just making money. It's more than just being out there and saying I'm a businesswoman, but it is about creating legacy. It is about being able to include those people that have been marginalized for a long time. And it is about breaking barriers and being able to make an impact in these male-dominated sectors. My name is Lufuno Rasoesoe. I am the founder and managing director of Tosh Detergents, a proudly South African company that manufactures quality household cleaning detergents. It's based in Mamelodi and has been growing in leaps and bounds. I am a mother of 2 beautiful girls, a wife to 1 husband, and I'm so excited to be here.